the particles that are on that sample, and that's all you need is a drop, just a little bit. The stuff works. The polish works, but the method specifies triacetate. Now I have to figure out how to get these slides out of here. I think this is a new one. And I'm going to take a very, very small and thin piece of glass. You should probably have safety glasses on. And this just goes over the top of the nail polish that I just put gently, nice and neat, nice and even. Push it down a little bit with a finger.
And that's what the club calls.
Down through the sample. Now, I'm ready to mount this on the stage of the microscope. But we'll assume that I've calibrated the microscope already. It's actually not that critical, but I do know that all of my optics are aligned. And then I'm going to use the two objectives. The first objective is 10 times. The second objective is 40 times.
Is there any kind of special on that, what you put on there, or is it clear? On your sample, are we able to see something on there?
Yeah, we're going to see something.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. Now, the eyepiece itself is 10x. All right, like 50x binoculars. The eyepiece itself is 10x. Multiplied by the 10x that's in the objective lens gives you 100x. Rotating the objective and using the larger objective for 40x, now I'm seeing something 400 times larger than it actually is. Okay, so I'm going to locate everything using 10x because it's much easier to see. I put the light on and I go to work. And the sample here is very, very bubbly. Oh, here. Take a look, see what this looks like at 100x. Now you can't see any of that with the naked eye. You have to use a microscope to see the imperfections in how the nail polish has spread out.
I want to see.
Okay.
Asbestos looks a different color. How you know you're looking at asbestos when you look at the
I don't. With this microscopy procedure, I'm looking at things that have a 3-to-1 aspect ratio and are at least 5 microns in length. This procedure doesn't identify asbestos. Statistically, at that magnification, those structures that meet those 2 criteria are very likely to be asbestos.
Okay.
That's cool.
Yeah. There's a different type of laboratory that identifies asbestos in the sample. Now that's only at 100x. That's only at 100x. We're going to look at the same sample.
At 400.
No, no. Fibra de asbesto. Fibra de asbesto.
It is pretty cool.
Without you putting in the machine, can you still look at it like as if it's 100 in the 400 without using the machine? Can you still see a little bit or no?
Not unless your eyes are really good.
Really? Even zooming it in?
Well, yeah. I mean, you need a microscope to see what you just saw. Yeah, and what that is the drop of nail polish that I put on there.
Spreads it out.
You know, then I put the glass over the top of it, and it spread it out. The naked eye, you see it's round. At 100x magnification, you see all those imperfections in a circle. See?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's look at it at 4. Did you see that?
That's not 100. Oh, see that 4.
4, that's probably up and close and personal.
It's gonna be looking at you.
Mm-hmm. Probably gonna see shit moving and shit.
You got one like this?
I have a 1,000 amps. Mine has HDMI pattern, so you can watch the TV.
Yeah.
Yeah, I took the class. I might as well go do some work.
Chicken or pizza?
What? Say it again?
Chicken or pizza?
Pizza.
That sounds convenient to me.
167,
It's Publix chicken, huh?
Yankee Stadium.
Pizza.
I like Publix.
I like Publix chicken.
Pizza.
Pizza is easy. Well, yeah.
It's gonna be the main group. Okay,
Make sure
so
you get a Supreme, please.
it says Publix chicken.
I'm down with that.
Huh?
Don't touch the microscope because
I'm down with pizza. It's cool.
no, but the field of view.
Anything quick and convenient is all good. Chicken too, it don't matter.
Out of the field of view. Now, what's in there
Okay.
meets the two criteria of 3 times as long as it is wide, and is at least 5 microns long. That means that statistically, the image that you're looking at there is a fiber of asbestos that was caught in the filter while a technician was doing the removal. Yeah, it looks like a crystal, right?
Yeah.
That's exactly what that is. And statistically, because of the size and shape of it, that is asbestos.
Oh, is that 400 now?
Yeah.
That's cool as hell. It's good to know. That's cool.
That's what goes in our lungs?
That's what's in your lungs now, yeah.
Oh, word.
That's what's been in your lungs since your mother brought you home from the
What?
hospital.
That's crazy.
You came out of red water.
The rea- the re-
I don't have that in my life.
the
Yeah, you better
reality
get on
is
your mama.
nobody
Mama,
does
why you
that.
put it in my chest?
Why you?
That's cool, right?
Yeah,
That's
crazy.
crazy, boy.
Wicked.
Here, look at my chest.
That's wicked as hell.
I can see it right now. It's right here.
Okay. Now, I don't even know if that's asbestos, but I have to count that structure on it.
Hell no.
I gotta count 100 fields on that sample. And when I add in how many structures I saw that meet those two criteria, and factor in a
That was
length
just
of
that one
time
over here.
and the volume of air, it gives me
And that was in the
time
filter.
weighted average. 0.15 parts per cubic centimeter of air is the permissible exposure level. Did you see this?
Me?
Did you see
No.
this? You wanna take a look at this?
Alright. It looked like this.
It look just like it. They twins. I be fucked up. Am I looking at it? There's my brother in there.
Alright.
Stop.
Anybody got any questions on that? This is what we do when we take air samples. This is the reason why we take air samples. I wanna know what this shit is. I wanna know what's in your breathing zone while you're doing your job. We're already gonna assume it contains asbestos. We're gonna use wet methods to control this dust. And whatever we are not able to control with careful handling and wet methods is going to get caught in a HEPA filter. Going to get caught in a HEPA filter. That's what this is all about. I don't want anybody to worry about asbestos exposure because of all this, these lessons that we have discussed here. When you're out walking your dog at the end of the day, your exposure to asbestos is higher than it is when you're actually working. Oh, I am so glad that I got to see, that you guys got to see one of these that actually has something in it that's worth discussing. So this is a sample that I took. I took this sample on June 9th, 2018 at 5804, 192 West in Kissimmee. Used to be the Roomba Inn.
Damn, boy, you
That one was bad.
that's crazy.
That's where we did that asbestos abatement job.
You can't see asbestos, so when you hit when you break the drywall, right, and you see all the dust, we just act like it has asbestos, or how? You know what I'm
So
saying?
you have to assume,
You have to make an assumption.
if you see a cloud of dust anywhere, you made a mistake. You're supposed to prevent that cloud of dust from happening. You understand that?
Yeah.
That's the
That's why
mentality that I want you to
was
have
looking
here.
at a warehouse.
Now,
Yeah, like plywood, like on like the pallets. You know how they take them and they cut all of them up?
Yeah.
All of them damn good. That shit. Fuck me.
That's what it happened.
you saw,
I was in the hospital for like 2 days and I've been out of work for 3 weeks.
you saw
It was really
Here. a circle. It's got the crosshairs in it. The vertical lines going this way
Yeah, like,
are 5 microns apart. These are 3 microns apart. Okay, and then there's some diagrams over here. There's another thing over here. There's a thing that says 3 to 1, just as a reminder as to what it is you're looking at. And you saw one crystalline fiber. You saw a bunch of shit over here,
yeah,
which was probably silica dust.
the little black line. I was,
There might have been a little black line going that way,
yeah, but this one was just like going like.
and there might have been one of these, let's say
Right.
that, okay? That room that those Indian fellas were tossing that shit across the room,
It's all over.
All that. Damn.
would
And
have looked like that. If I was
wow.
taking samples, it would have looked worse than that,
Wow.
okay? That's the difference. And these guys were removing popcorn ceiling. In the image that you saw, those guys were scraping this popcorn off the ceiling. It had 6% chrysotile asbestos in it. Most of the stuff that you're dealing with doesn't even have asbestos in it, but we're going to assume it does.
Right.
This stuff we know had asbestos in it. And they were removing it while I had the clips on their shirts with these little cassettes. And that was the result. That was the result. Almost nothing.
Wow. That's crazy. That's crazy.
All right. What are we looking at the time? 11:03.
What you decided on pizza or chicken?
How old? I don't know.
Pizza.
I hope she got chicken. I think pizza. But
Pizza,
don't
chicken.
see
I
it.
don't know what she got ready. Very true.
I think she got pizza and chicken.
Yeah, she might
Probably get both.
Probably get a little
There's
bit
still
more.
sandwiches in there too. I had one. I got
Yeah,
sandwiches
shit.
yesterday.
I had one earlier.
Both of them
got a
motherfuckers.
bag
That was
of
that phone. I'll take it home.
I had one.